Coming up on Red Hawk News, a special reunion for two members of the ACIT family,
a look inside the SAD Club during Suicide Awareness and Prevention Month,
and an exclusive interview with the newly elected Senior Class Council President.
Red Hawk News starts now.
Coming to you from Red Hawk Studios at the Atlantic County Institute of Technology, this is Red Hawk News.
Welcome to the premiere episode of Red Hawk News, the most trusted source of all things ACIT. I'm Zoe Reamer.
And I'm Alex David. Suicide Awareness and Prevention Month may be observed in September, but the need to take care of your mental health does not stop for the other 11 months of the year. Red Hawk News recently visited with SAD Club to learn more about their cause and how they can help members of the ACIT community.
Welcome back, Red Hawks. There are a few new things this year. Have you noticed on the back of your IDs that there is a suicide prevention hotline number? What about the signs in the bathroom? They have all been placed here for your benefit.
We're SAD Club, and September is Suicide Prevention Month, so we wanted to present you with some information.
Some statistics about suicide are: suicide is the 12th leading cause of death in the U.S. In 2020, there was an estimated 1.2 million suicide attempts, and on average, there are 130 suicides per day.
Some warning signs of suicide include the person might start losing interest in things that they used to love.
They will become distant with friends and family. They might get involved with dangerous activities such as drugs.
Males make up 49% of the population, which is nearly 80% of suicides.
A lot of people think that men can't cry or show emotions because it is feminine, and we need to destroy the social construct.
How to help someone with suicidal thoughts. You can be there for them, encourage them to get help, but don't force them. Listen to their problems without judgment. Try keeping distracted from negative energy. Hang out with them, go out with them, do fun things, watch movies, go to the park. If they are in danger, get someone to help them, and if they are hurt, call 911. Check up on them, remind them of all the good and beautiful things that they have. Remind them that people love them and care about them as well.
Hi, my name is Kayla. I'm president of SAD Club, and I'd like to let everyone know that you are loved and cared for by somebody, and I want you to have a great day.
If you or someone you know is having thoughts of suicide or experiencing a mental health or substance abuse crisis, please reach out to your counselor or contact the numbers on the screen.
Recently, I had the pleasure of attending a very special reunion of a current and former member of the ACIT family.
On Tuesday, September 20th, ACIT graduate James Lockerbie was reunited with his younger sister after completing a 6-month deployment with the United States Marine Corps. Abigail Lockerbie, who is currently a sophomore in the Performing Arts program, was surprised by her brother, who was a student in the Building Trades Electrical program before enlisting in the Marines. The family was joined by ACIT principal Mr. Joseph Paquet in the South Wing to celebrate his return. The joy was palpable but short, as James will be deployed to Japan to continue his work as an airplane technician. For Red Hawk News, I'm Alex David.
We'll be right back after this quick break.
Attention ACIT students and staff, 2022 to 2023 yearbooks are on sale now. Get them at their lowest price for a limited time only. The $80 cost will rise after October 28th and again in January. Yearbook shoutouts are also on sale now. Sizes range from an eighth of a page to a full page. Order them by January 9, 2023. Scan the QR code to order your yearbooks and shoutouts now. You can also order your yearbook at www.jostens.com/YB23.
Mr. Red Hawk is back. The latest group of contestants are ready to strut their stuff on stage to claim the title of Mr. Red Hawk 2023. Join us on November 18th for singing, dancing, and to see the seniors of ACIT like you've never seen them before. Tickets are $10 for adults and only $5 for students and children. The show begins at 6 p.m. sharp. Doors open at 5:30 p.m. This year's Mr. Red Hawk, only at ACIT.
Welcome back to Red Hawk News. The senior class has a lot to look forward to and many details to keep track of, but the year started off with one of the more entertaining and important events, senior class council elections.
The class of 2023 officially kicked off their senior year by selecting the students who will represent the senior class council. After a brief informational session by the senior class advisor, Miss Jamie Shaughnessy, the candidates each had an opportunity to make their speech and pitch their plan to their peers. Most of the candidates offered a reminder that this is a year full of lasts, and that this is their last chance to make their mark at ACIT. Each candidate gave impassioned speeches highlighting their time management skills and their love for all things ACIT. A new era began when the winners were announced on Friday, September 23rd. The students who will represent the class of 2023 are, for treasurer, Vivian Velasquez Beneguez, for secretary, Michael Nieves, for vice president, Alian Khan, and new senior class president, Michaela Gardner. Congratulations to the winners and each candidate from Red Hawk News. I'm Jared Trainer.
Congratulations to Michaela on being elected as the new president. On this week's segment of Hawk Talk, we had the chance to sit down and get to know Michaela a little better. We asked her why she ran for office and what she hopes to accomplish this year.
I decided to run for class president because I wanted to make a difference at this school. Knowing I've been here for 4 years now, I haven't seen much change or much improvement on what needs to be done, and I wanted to help make that change. I decided I wanted to do a movie night, which would probably be after school, possibly. And, we get to all decide what movie we want to listen to or watch, and, make sure we have popcorn that can also, help the actual funding. We can have a karaoke during lunch or maybe even after school, or maybe we can get it at a restaurant, and things like that. And I just want to be remembered for the determination and the dedication that I put into this, all honestly. I just want everybody to know that even though I haven't did anything else at ACIT, I will definitely make my mark with this.
We'll be right back after this final break.
ACIT's College and Career Center will be hosting representatives from various colleges throughout the school year. These brief informational sessions will give juniors and seniors the opportunity to discover where they may want to attend after graduation. The schools that visit ACIT are not only in New Jersey, like Rowan University, but also from Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Florida. To be eligible to attend one of these visits, please visit your College and Career Google Classroom for details about how to register through Naviance. Students are only eligible to attend 5 of these sessions, so check the rep visit calendar to see what schools will be coming to ACIT. The calendar will be updated as new visits are scheduled. If you have any questions, please email Ms. Ragone or stop by the College and Career Center during your lunch period.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to follow Red Hawk Media on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to receive the latest news from ACIT.
Also, discover more about ACIT on our digital publication, The Pursuit. For the crew and staff of Red Hawk News, we'll see you next time.